people that are
This is intimidating.
We've been teasing this video for quite some time now. We are finally going to be building this computer.
Can we make a tiny little trailer and put it in this summer? Courtney's computer.
Thanks for explaining the whole trailer in the intro.
If you want to do it, you can.
Please don't!
But we're gonna build this.
Alright, so what do we do first, Zach?
Well, let's go over what we have. We have, this is a Bit Phoenix something. You know what this case is called?
Bit Phoenix Prodigy, I believe.
Bit Phoenix Prodigy.
Jordan knows.
We have two 1 terabyte hard drives, a single 8 gig stick of HyperX Fury memory, some ASRock board, it's a Gigabyte H97M HD3.
That's why I put it back there.
Their ultra durable line. We have a Corsair CX430.
I would like to note hey Alec, I would like to tell you the keyboard still had stuff in it.
Whatever. It's keyboard.
And the processor is a i5-4460. And this is niosy, we'll need that. And then this is a leftover from my computer, so my new case doesn't have like a spot for a disk drive in it. And she wanted a disk drive, and this also does Blu-ray. So
Alright, so Zach, coming over there, and I'm gonna...
we're gonna
to Boston, lives in a world she's lost in, victim of compromise. He's staring at her Aberdeen heart, London eyes, Glasgow bones. She's whistling the catacombs, a paradox. He's in the statue in a marble block. He's in love with the girl that time forgot. She just shakes her ears. She's falling too far with salt in her scars. Won't let it taste her tears. She's falling too far. The girl that time forgot. Wasted moments, full of potential atonement, an angel in disguise. But he can see our Aberdeen heart, London eyes, Glasgow bones. She's a whistle in the catacombs, a paradox. Oh, he's in love with the statue in a marble block. He's in love with the girl that time forgot. She just shakes her ears. She's falling too far with salt in her scars. Won't let it taste her tears. She's falling too far. The girl that time forgot. The girl that time forgot.
everybody. Thanks for watching. Sorry it took me so long to get this video out, but I've been kind of busy. Anyways, if you like that... Okay, well...
Sorry.
It's fine. If you like that, make sure you check out some of our other content somewhere on... I don't know if this is going to get flipped from the camera. On one of these sides, there should be suggested videos.
Well, either way, it's going to be over here somewhere.
Make sure you... Well...
Because this is the empty spot, right?
Make sure you check out some videos if you like that. Yeah. Shut up, no.
I'm trying to spin out of frame, but my foot got stuck. Hold on.
Thanks, guys. Thanks. Bye.